My name is Ryokada from Neo Pharma Japan.
And I'm Matthew Corley, also from Neo Pharma Japan.
In today's video, we will talk about mitochondria, a critical part of our bodily functions. After that, we would like to give some advice on how to activate mitochondria in order to maintain a healthy and youthful body. Isn't that right, Mr. Kovalik?
Yes, indeed. Hopefully this video will help our viewers to have a deeper understanding of 5-ALA, or 5-aminolevulic acid, one of the main ingredients in our company's special products.
Okay, so here we go. First off, can you please tell our viewers what are mitochondria?
Of course. Mitochondria are cell organelles which exist in the cells of almost all living organisms, including plants and animals. They are about 1,000 millimeter in size. Some viewers may know them as the powerhouse of the cell, a simple explanation which adequately describes how they produce energy in each of our cells.
Indeed, mitochondria produce the energy needed for our cells to function. And would you know how many mitochondria are there in the human body?
Scientists say there are between 300 to several thousand mitochondria in each of the 37 trillion cells that make up the human body. Now these 37 trillion cells help to make up our skin, our muscles, our bones, and our organs. And the mitochondria in each of the cells together account for around 10% of our total bodily weight.
Wow, just by listening to the numbers here. So 37 trillion cells and each cell has 100 to 1,000 mitochondria. I think I need a calculator here.
I'm not sure that your phone will be able to handle that.
Amazing stuff. So clearly, mitochondria are essential for human life. Can you talk a little bit more about what they do?
Of course. So humans need energy to walk and talk and watch YouTube videos, but also to breathe and to sleep and to leave comments on said YouTube videos. So mitochondria providing this energy is essential for human life. They do this by producing a substance referred to as ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, during the process of metabolism, which is the main source of energy for many biological processes.
It is clear that mitochondria is important for giving our bodies energy. Okay, so now that we have discussed this, we would like to talk about how to activate mitochondria.
So, mitochondria have the ability to increase or decrease in a relatively short period of time in response to the body's energy requirements, such as when we exercise. So, in addition, we now know about ingredients that promote the proliferation and activation of mitochondria. So, it is possible for us to enhance our mitochondrial activity through some easy life changes.
Yes, and I would like to share with our viewers an essential ingredient for activating mitochondria: 5-ALA. 5-ALA helps the mitochondria to produce ATP or energy from oxygen during metabolism. Unfortunately, 5-ALA levels are known to decrease as we age. Thus, as our metabolism slows down, we begin to experience the many health issues associated with aging.
So, it's clear that mitochondria play a critical role in energy production. But would you be able to tell us just how much energy our mitochondria can produce in a single day?
They can produce approximately 50 to 100 kilograms of ATP each day as needed by the body. However, it is said that most of this energy is used as soon as it is produced, leaving just a few doses in the body. So here's the point. Without the constant production of ATP in our mitochondria, it will be difficult for us to keep our body's peak condition.
A terrifying prospect indeed. So with that in mind, let's share some easy tips and tricks that we can do in our daily life to help promote mitochondrial activity. Starting off, we can
sleep properly, eat foods that activate mitochondria, and exercise.
The classics. These all sound easy enough to do. What are your tips for sleeping properly?
It is essential to turn off the lights and sleep in a dark room. I think many people look at their phones at night, but it is essential to avoid that in order to activate our mitochondria.
Wow, people do that. What a strange thing to do. Moving on, what was that about food?
As we said, fiber A can promote mitochondrial activity. Foods that are rich in fiber A, such as natto, are good to eat. By choosing these kind of foods, you can have a better health for longer.
I'm always happy to have more reasons to eat natto. What kind of activity would promote mitochondria?
Cardio exercises such as walking or swimming are good for mitochondrial activity. However, don't forget to have a balanced workout plan. In general, it is best to exercise at your own pace without overloading your body.
So, to sum up, the main points are to sleep in a darkened room without electronics, to ingest foods which contain 5-ALA to activate our mitochondrial activity, and to do cardio exercises moderately. These tips can hopefully lead to a healthier, less stressful life.
Yes, as we said before, a human body is made up of 37 trillion cells, and each cell has 100 to 1,000 mitochondria. Mitochondria produce the energy every day so that these cells work properly. So it is no exaggeration to say that we couldn't survive without them.
Please be aware of mitochondrial activity in your daily life and make use of it to build up your own healthy lifestyle. That's all for today, folks. Please make sure to check out the videos on our channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you very